Was he giving you maintenance for your child before 2015? How regularly, if so?
Yes, Judge, but it was now and again when he could be bothered.
Of course, because children don't need money other than when Dad can be bothered. That's how you're responsible, sir. Is that right? How much is a bag of nappies? Do you know?
Bag of nappies, £5.
£5. Well, in 2015, you did, in fact, enter into an agreement with Simon. How much was he to pay you?
£28.
I presume it was £28 per week, yes?
Per month, sorry.
That's £7 a week, madam. That's less than, well, just about a bag and a quarter of nappies. You told me that a father is responsible and pays for his child and is there. Do you remember those top 3 answers you gave?
I remember them, yes,
Oh,
Judge.
good, how splendid. What did you spend your money on, sir?
I spend my money on fashion.
On fashion?
Yeah. I probably spent £190 on a pair of trousers.
You pay for your son at the rate of £7 per week. Do you see?
Yeah, I see what you're getting at. The problem is, what's not being told is I see my son, I buy him presents on a regular basis, like every couple of weeks. I probably give him £30, and then I spend £30 on some toys, and then I go out and I spend £50 on a meal.
Let's pause for a second. I can get to the end of it here. How did you come up with this sum, please, madam?
It's from the child maintenance calculator. I filled it in as if it were him, sort of thing, because I know he's on benefits, so I filled it out accordingly how it should be.
Now, in other words, you looked online, you calculated that's the minimum he would pay, and you asked him to enter into that agreement. And that's what he's been paying you. Only recently, there's a text exchange between you which says that he's been paying some of this money, but he owes you an amount. How much?
£147, Judge.
Can I see that text exchange? How much do you owe in child maintenance? Remember, it's gone up £27 because new month, £147. Where's the £147?
I haven't given her the
Where's the £147?
I haven't given her...
Where is it?
I haven't given her the £147. She forgets. 2 weeks ago, I took her out for a meal.
Pause for a second. You have a counterclaim in this matter, correct? What is it for? The first amount, please.
The £50 was for the meal.
You're suing this lady who's brought up your child, chiefly on her own, for £50. Can you explain to me what that £50 is for?
I took her out for a meal 2 weeks ago, and she contributed £6 towards it.
The meal was £50, was it?
Yeah.
Why is she responsible for all of it? Why not half, for example?
Whoa.
I mean, if we're going to go down the rabbit hole of moron, we at least should have a discussion about it. Why not?
She contributed £6 to the meal, but that was 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks before that, I bought another meal, and she contributed £6. Why should I pay for both meals? Why couldn't she contribute something towards them? £6 isn't a big contribution, is it?
Are you entitled to sue her for it?
Is she entitled to sue me?
Is that a question?
Yeah.
Would you like an answer?
Yeah.
Yes! You do understand that the money that you give to her is for your son, that you have not paid, correct?
Mm-hmm.
You understand that as a father that's very important, correct?
That's correct.
You understand that that's more important than your clothing, correct?
Yes.
Why haven't you given it to her then?
Well, I haven't had the money to give her.
The second part of your claim is for what, sir?
£4,950.
Sir, what is that for?
Stress.
For emotional distress?
Yeah. She was meeting guys and going in guys' cars.
In other words, you're accusing the mother of your child of effectively being a prostitute.
Yes, I am.